KoocinayPH. Easy recipe ideas every day. For today's recipe, healthy Mediterranean baked whitefish, ready in just 20 minutes. Ingredients: 4 white fish fillets, such as cod, haddock, halibut, or tilapia. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 garlic cloves minced. 1 lemon sliced. 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved. 1/4 cup red onion thinly sliced. 1/4 cup Kalamata olives sliced. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. Salt and black pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons fresh parsley chopped. Optional: 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese. Quick steps: preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and lightly grease a baking dish. Prepare the fish. Place the white fish fillets in the baking dish and drizzle with olive oil. Add flavor. Sprinkle garlic, oregano, paprika, salt, and black pepper over the fish. Top with veggies. Add lemon slices, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and Kalamata olives on top and around the fish. Bake. Place in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Finish. Sprinkle fresh parsley and optional crumbled feta cheese on top before serving. Serve. Enjoy warm with rice, quinoa, or roasted vegetables. Light, fresh, and packed with Mediterranean flavors, this healthy baked white fish is a quick 20-minute meal that's delicious and nutritious. Save this recipe. Like, share, and subscribe to KoocinayPH.